and your fingers.
This hair was lovely, but I'm gonna cut off the what's it called, the lace, and get back to you guys. I just wanted to show you before the lace was cut out how everything was looking. You know, I think I'm getting better, but yes. All right, I'll be back, y'all. What? He's looking snatched. Burn. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Yummy Auditory. You know, I'm here, I'm back live and direct. Guys, this week I'm bringing to you Ashy Blonde, you know, summer Ash Blonde, because you know what it means. You know, summer's here, all summer 2019, and we won't carry less. As you know, we cannot carry less. Amen. Amen. So for this week I did this right here. This is all me. First time coloring, first time winners. Yes, beginners. That's me, you, or whoever's watching. If you're a pro, I did it. I made some mistakes, some not mistakes, but it doesn't matter. We did it, we achieved it, and the hair is looking great, if I say so myself. Even if you don't even say it, I say so. The hair is looking sweet, spectacular. It's giving me life. It's just this here. You see that stupid flip that won't, it's not working. It's joining with his friends. Join your friends. So this week, this hair is from, let me get you guys there. It's from OMGQUEEN, because you know we all queens here. OMGQUEEN hair. This is my second time trying that hair. I'm actually gonna do a review on the other hair I got, because you know that hair is bomb. It's like a yaki straight, but that's maybe next week or 2 weeks from now. We'll see, because I have something different every week. You know, you can't, I don't want you guys, you know, to think that I'm, you know, consistent. What am I saying? Not consistent, but predictable. I'm not predictable. I am. I'll be here next week on a Tuesday, so sorry I am. So the hair, I got it, and it was about $119. Not about, it was $119 on the dot. Yes. And it took about a week and like a day to arrive. They were quick, very quick. They took PayPal, because like places that don't take PayPal, I'm questionable about it. Let me just be honest, you know, because you know they can't take my money. You know, that's it will pain me. So therefore I use PayPal, because PayPal is, you know, secure. But yeah, so the hair took about 100 a week. The density of the hair was 150, and I was happy. I kind of wanted to go less, like 130ish, because you know when you start doing like bob, you don't want it to now look and have a big. So I cut that one out. So I did 150, and I'm proud and happy that I did 150, because the hair, you know, it tends to shed. So when we talk about flaws, I'm gonna put that in the flaws. But yeah, the hair is good. So it was $119. I think I used a discount code. I'll put it down below if I did. I was not sponsored. They did not send me this hair. How you know how to use people said they sent me. I purchased this hair. Yes, so I purchased the hair $119. The dye that I bought 3 boxes. I bought one like ashy tone brown color, because I watched another YouTuber and she said, okay, I'm gonna just say it like this. I did not want the hair to just be all blonde, because when I saw the hair like all blonde in the beginning, I'm just like, ooh, that's scary. I'll insert a clip of that picture. It's scary, and it did not look good with my skin color, because you know, as you know, I'm a dark girl, and if we're looking like fancy, I'm a 470, so you know I'm at the pata end, as you know. So those just to be out the lights. I'm like, oh, she must be light. I'm dark. As they said, do the yummy. But either way, sorry, I'm getting off topic. But yeah, the hair came, so then I started with like a deep root, like an ashy brown, because I didn't just want to go straight to the ashy blonde, and I thought I just needed a transition. So I used 1 box of the ashy, 1 box of ashy brown, one box of ashy like medium and one light, if that makes sense. So like I mix the light and medium in between each other, and then the dark brown into the roots. I hope you understand. I have a video. I'll just, you know, insert it, so don't worry. First time, as I said, first time, but it ended up well. When it came out, it looked blue and gray. I was scared. I'm like, ah, yeah, like who sent me to go and do this? I saw another YouTube video and I'm like, okay, like the one Rihanna did was good. I'm gonna do that. I heard she didn't do the root, but I saw it and I'm like, yes, I want that. But it turned out well. Once I dried it, the color came back. Let me get close. The color came back and it was looking good. You know, it's looking lively and look young, vibrant. And let me stop. I'm feeling this hair too much because I just cut the lace. Just cut the lace. And it turned out really well. The boxes were like $2.50, so cheap. It's not the expensive one. I saw the expensive ones and I looked past it. Let me just maybe this has better quality, and I think maybe the reason why it looks kind of silverish and not all the way blonde, maybe I just don't know what Ash Blonde is, but it looks kind of silverish. But either way, it still looks flying. Don't worry. But the cons, the hair does shed. Let me not lie. When I first got the hair did not shed. It was not shedding at all. We have friends. I did not depart with most hair, any of the strands. But once I dyed the hair started shedding, and I'm like, oh, why? You know, but I think it's just because hair sheds, and like because it's processed hair. 613 hair is always processed, as you know, it's blonded. Obviously the ones, not people's hair are coming out that bleach blonde anyway, so they bleach the hair. So to dye it again kind of made the hair fall off or lose some, I guess, burn off, if we're being completely honest. Pro's hair is soft, it's luscious, came out looking good. It took the color very well, and once I conditioned it, it was good. A con on my part, another con on my part, I forgot this, was that the lace is kind of black, like has blue spots, because when they told me, when I was watching the other video and like the instruction, they said do it lightly, but that thing, they mean like lightly, like, so you have to go like big, like basically you're trying to do in your eye. You know how you put on your lashes, you're like light, that's how you would do it. How you put on mascara, that's how you do it really light. For anybody who's gonna try to do this, do it very light. Take your time. And next time I think I'm gonna like spray it with Got2b glue to kind of like glue the bottom, so like the dye won't seep through. Maybe that'll work, I don't know, but you could try it out and let me know. But yeah, so there were some spots, so I really wanted to do it on this part, but all this spot right had the dye on the lace, so I'm just like, well, this part looks good too. It looks fine, so we'll keep it going, we'll move it on. But yeah, this hair is great. I thought it was nice. It wasn't like I was struggling, you know. Everything took about 2 days. So I dyed for like an hour and a half one night. I washed it, I dried it in my dryer, not in the dryer, but over the dryer, so that it could, over the washer, so it could fall in the washer. That's another trick, y'all. I'm gonna teach you. Tip. So if you wanna wash your hair and dry it, you don't have anywhere to put it, use a hanger to clip it and then put it inside your washer. Like just clip it on the rail and clip it on the washer, if that makes sense. I'm gonna show you a video next week on how I do it. I just clip, let it drip into the washer, and then it'll be dry. And I think it saves time, and it's not messy at all, because putting it in the shower, you forget sometimes, you forget. But anyway, that's about it. So if you have any questions for Miss Yummy here, let me know in the comment section. I'll most likely reply really quickly in like a day, because you know I love you guys, you know, all of my small subscribers, but you know, just you and I, you and us, we'll be pushing it on to get bigger. But yes, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let everybody know who I am. As you know, I'm Young Victoria. Let me know how you like the hair. You know what you think I did. You know, show your girl some accolades. You know. But yes, y'all. I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday. God bless. You know, I'm literally just looking at myself, kissing myself, but it's you that I'm looking at. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna stop. I'll see you guys next week. All right, guys. Bye.